I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day.
Do my two-step.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am gonna show you guys how I turned my old clothes into a different style of crop tops. So, I really want to speak in English today because some of my viewers are from America, New Zealand. I really have to use the international language, which is English, for them to understand what I'm saying. And it's a prank! No, I just feel like speaking in English today. It's also for me. I want to practice speaking in English in front of people because I want to overcome my fear, and my fear is I really can't talk straight in front of people whenever they're asking me, or something like, ano ba yung English ng baka palagpasin ko rin yung mga opportunities sa kanang English. Baka mawala na ako ng opportunities dahil dito sa aking problema, and that's why I'm starting to gain confidence by speaking English. And maybe that's okay with you guys, right? And it's not kaartehan or something because I'm just doing this for myself, for my own good. And that's just it. So ayan, nakita ko ang aking itsura wearing these glasses, and I look so ugly. I thought I looked cute on this, but nah. Okay guys, so ayun na nga, ayoko na muna mag-English. Napagod na ako. Bukas ulit. Char. So I made this 3 different style of crop tops, and I just wanna share how I did it. Pero paalala ko lang sa inyo, kung gagayahin nyo man ang ginawa ko, make sure na old clothes nyo na to at talagang pinayagan na kayo, kasi mamaya sa nanay nyo yun, sa tatay nyo yun, baka pagmumurahin lang kayo nyan, di ba? You only just need 2 things here, scissors and tailor's chalk. Or kung walang tailor's chalk, kahit natural na chalk na lang, pang piko. Yan. Yun kasing gamit ko lang kasi kung makita ng chalk. So ayun guys, let's watch this.
And loved, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day. That's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day. That's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope so.
That's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you liked it, just please give it a thumbs up. If meron kayong mga friends na gusto yung mga gantong style ng crop tops, please share nyo sa kanila para naman mabigyang buhay yung mga luma nilang damit, diba? If meron man kayong mga suggestions or vlog contents na gustong gawin ko, you can comment down below or you can message me on my Facebook account. And dyan sa description po yung Facebook account ko. Thank you guys! Please don't forget to subscribe and ingat kayo lahat. Bye!
Want me do my two-step.